Yeah.
Teaching girls, you are hot. You're so beautiful. My gents, my CEOs. That's all I'm seeing right now. Guys, yeah. Okay. Firstly, I just want to say congratulations. You've made it this far. Some of you here didn't think that you would make it to grade 12. But look at you. That's what you're gonna do. Alright, I'm just here to congratulate you guys. Remember, for you to be here, it is not by your mind. It is not because you are smart. It is not because you had to do something or whatever. It is by the grace of God. And for you to make it out of grade 12, it will still be because of the grace of God. For everything that starts with Him, it also ends with Him. I get it? So there's no plans by people, by whatever that shall prosper. Only God, because remember He said that I knew you before you were even formed. He knew the plans that He had for you. He knew that today you will be here in grade 12 celebrating your achievements. So please, let's give God a huge round of applause for carrying us. Well done, my dears. I do know that the devil would like to say, let it not be just pictures. Little results in the thing. I get it? Yeah. We will come out with the results. I get it? Yeah. With the matric of 2025, the heavens will rise. The angels will applaud because you guys are going to break the record. You are going to go get out of Cosmos City and shine brighter than the diamond. That's all I have to say to you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Let's all call Mr. Matembula. I don't call him. Can you please call Mr. Matembula?